That plane says Japan on it. Our plane.
I know. I am so excited. More than you.
Mom, look. Is that Mount Fuji?
Oh, Peter, yes it is.
It is beautiful.
Everything is so clean.
Look at the floor. Dad, please do not talk to the floor. Anna, look! A temple! And pink trees. Those are cherry blossoms. I already knew that.
There are 1,000 people. Hold my hand.
David, you are the only one scared.
Emily, I need all of these.
Dad, what flavor is this? It is blue.
Left hand first, then right, to show respect.
Like this? I like this.
I could stay here all day. Listen, Emily found her Japan at the garden. The quiet, the water, the green.
Dad, you bowed too deep. Much smaller.
I was being extra respectful.
This one is for good luck in love. It is pretty. I want that one. Good luck for everything. Mom, how many roofs?
5, exactly right. Beautiful drawing, Peter.
This smoke makes you healthy. I want extra healthy.
Dad, you look like you are fighting a bee.
Biggest grin, arms out. Everybody say Japan!
David, your arms are blocking the lantern.
They are little golden balls!
What is inside? Octopus! Dad, it is octopus!
No way! Whew. This is the best thing I have ever eaten.
Your face, Dad! You won a prize!
Oh, this is the best thing I have ever eaten.
Your face, Dad! You won a prize!
The ramen shop was tiny, 8 seats. The steam was thick. The smell was incredible. The family squeezed in and waited.
They keep falling. How do people do this?
Like this. You hold, wait, mine fell too.
Okay. This is amazing. Crispy outside, warm inside. Mine has chocolate inside. Even better!
It is pink. What if it is fish?
What if it is... Dad, what if it is fish?
It tastes like flowers? And lemon? I love it!
I am sending this to everyone. These are mochi. Rice cake with sweet filling. Try one.
It is so soft. Like a cloud with strawberry. This pink one. With the cherry blossoms. With the cherry blossoms? Can I try it?
Of course. It is beautiful, just like you.
I feel very wrapped. Is it this tight?
Is it this tight? I look like a warrior. A Japanese warrior.
Wow.
Look at you two. Incredible.
I love it. I actually love it.
They walked through the old streets in their kimonos. Cherry blossom petals fell around them. For one afternoon, they were part of old Japan.
Thank you so much. Very kind.
I drew the temple. Can it be in the photo? These shoes are wood. How do people walk? Here, hold my hand. I will not tell anyone. Dad!
It looks like a spaceship.
It does. We are riding a spaceship.
Anna, look! Mount Fuji! Snow on top! Oh, wow. It is huge.
Peter drew everything. The temple,
the food, the lantern.
And now, Mount Fuji from the fastest train in the world.
They are tea. Too beautiful to eat.
It is art. Eat it, it tastes even better. Can you feel it? Kyoto is different, quieter.
I can see a temple from the station.
Amazing!
Kyoto, the old capital of Japan. 1,600 temples, more gardens than any city on earth, and cherry blossoms everywhere.
1, 2, 3, there are thousands!
Just walk, Peter. Count them all day.
Each gate is a wish from a different person. Thousands of wishes. What did they wish for? Can I wish too?
The bamboo grove, 50 feet tall. The bamboo sings when the wind blows. The family walked in silence. Some places do not need words. Listen, the bamboo is talking.
You are beautiful right now, just so you know. The tea ceremony. Every movement has meaning. The water, the bowl, the whisk. 400 years of tradition in one cup of tea.
Oh, it is warm and green. Perfect.
Mom looks so happy. I want to try. Foaming! I made tea!
You did, beautifully. Drink it, Anna. You earned it.
Was that a geisha? A real one? So beautiful!
Just a glimpse. Kyoto is full of beautiful secrets.
There is a secret garden! A glowing lamp! This floor is the softest in the world, never leaving.
15 dishes. This is the most beautiful meal ever.
Every ingredient is local, from 30 kilometers.
4 matching yukata, 1 quiet room, a garden glowing outside. The family was together. No phones, no plans, just together.
Dad, the fish glow in the dark, like little lights.
They do. This is my favorite part, right here with you.
Peter wrote one last line. Japan is the best place I have ever been. Then the light went out.
The last day. The cherry blossoms were at their peak. Every tree a cloud of pink. The petals fell like warm pink snow.
One landed on my nose! I almost got it! They only last 2 weeks, then gone.
There, now you match the trees.
I love Japan. I love this trip. I love you.
That is the best photo I have ever taken.
Anna took hundreds of photos. She never showed this one, her favorite.
Every page is full, Mom. I drew the whole trip.
You did. Everything. The most beautiful souvenir, Peter.
They sat under the biggest tree. Nobody spoke. The petals fell. The family was together. That was the whole point of everything.
Comment below, which Japanese food would you try? Ramen, takoyaki, or mochi? Subscribe for more slow English stories every week.
Japan. Cherry blossoms, ancient temples, and street food at midnight. 1 family, 1 notebook, and 2 weeks of pink snow.
I'm really gonna miss Japan.